Hey, what's up guys? This is another job here at Gitano Renovations. We've installed some porcelain tile throughout the main level of the floor. This job's actually been holding up for about 10 years, so I thought I'd make the video because it's just like, it looks like it was done yesterday. So if you guys are looking for a really nice floor, highly recommend this floor. I mean, this is 10 years and it's like brand new. The best thing, hold on, let me turn it down a little bit. I'm in the client's house here. So the best thing about this floor is it's super easy to clean. So I usually have this floor in my house, and it's simple with a Swiffer. It's just like boom, boom, boom. And it's almost like shining a rink, to be honest. That's what I like to call it. And another thing is it comes in so many different sizes, so many different colors that are available. So, you know, usually we like to mix the tile with like some vinyl or some hardwood. But yeah, you want to have, if you're looking for a clean look, I highly recommend the porcelain tiles. And we can also do this in your bathroom. We can do this on the walls in your bathroom. We can build a stand-up shower with the same stuff. So really good stuff.